Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Reddit account and create a brand new one using the 2025 version of Reddit. So if you want a clean start or rebrand your presence, this is how to do it the right way. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for reddit.com. Once you are on Reddit, you need to simply log in into your account with that particular email which you want to delete permanently. Now, before deleting your account, here are some of the things that you need to remember. Like once your Reddit account is gone, it is permanent. Your post stays on Reddit, but it will show as posted by deleted. So if you want to copy any post, if you want to save any comments or messages, you just have to simply make a backup of them, or you need to copy that important information. Now, once this step is done, simply click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then click on settings here. Now in the settings, you will be in the accounts tab, and this is where you will find the delete option. So here you need to just scroll down, and in the advanced tab, you will see delete. So click on the delete option and then click on the continue option over here. Now, if you don't have a username or a password created on Reddit, you are going to get a link on your registered email address. You need to click on that and create a strong password for your account. Then on the next page, you need to provide your username and password. After confirming it, you need to hit the delete button in order to delete your account permanently. Now there is no undo. You cannot use the same username again. Now, in order to avoid any kind of login issues, you can just simply log out and clear your browse cookies, or you can click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and click on new incognito window. Now, once you are in the incognito tab, you just have to search for Reddit, and here you need to come on reddit.com. Over here, you will see the login option in the top right hand corner. So click on the login option, and here click on the sign up option. Now provide your email address, and on the next page you can just create a strong password for your account. You can also continue with your phone number, your Google account, and Apple ID. So whichever method you choose, you will be able to easily create a brand new account, but be sure to update your preferences and join your favorite subreddits. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.